Human eye and colorful word. NCERT exercise class 10th part 9.
What is meant by power of accommodation? Theory का ही part है. So all we know, ability of eye lens to adjust its focal length to see the nearby and the distance object clearly is called the power of accommodation, right? A person with myopic eye cannot see the object beyond the 1.2 meter distinctly. What should be the type of the corrective lens used to restore the proper vision? Okay, so for this we should know about the myopic and the hypermetropic eye, and we know that for the myopic eye person, the solution is that we should use the diverging lens. Okay, so we can write. Okay, so diverging lens should be used, and now we will find out the focal length of this diverging lens by the formula of lens formula that will be given by the 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v minus में 1 upon में u. Here we use the concave lens in which the v is given in the questions, v equal to 1.2, and it will be taken as the negative sign because this is on the left hand side of the concave lens or the diverging lens, and also u is minus infinity. Okay, why should we take the infinity? Because for the myopic person, far point objects are not seen clearly by the person, so we take for the far point u equal to infinity. Initially the object is at the infinity. Okay, so now 1 upon में f equal to minus 1 upon में 1.2 minus 1 upon में minus infinity, minus minus plus, and 1 upon infinity we know that will be equal to 0, so this will be equal to minus 1 upon में 1.2, right? But we want the value this f, so for this expression we should take the reverse of this, and then f equal to minus 1.2 in meter. Okay, and now the power of lens we can find out by the formula. Power we know that this will be given by the 1 upon में f, so here this will be equal to 1 upon minus 1.2 in meter, so this will be equal to 0.82 डायोप्टर. डायोप्टर क्या होता है? पावर ऑफ लेंस की यूनिट होता है, ठीक है. सो आंसर वी हैव पावर इक्वल टू 0.82 diopter, right? So this is the right answer. Now the question number 3. What is the far point and the near point? ये भी आपका थ्योरी का ही क्वेश्चन है. So answer, for the human eye with the normal vision, the far point is at infinity and the near point is at the distance of the 25 centimeter from the eye. A student has a difficulty in reading the board while sitting in the last row. What could be defect the child is suffering from? How can it be corrected? Right? So student cannot see the object, it means, which are very far away from his eye, and such type of the defects is called the short sightedness, or you can say that myopic defect. So he is suffering with the myopic defect. Myopic defect. And myopic defect can be removed by using the lens of the diverging lens. Okay, so he should use diverging lens. So these are text question. Now we will start chapter and exercise. Okay, answer is B, accommodation. Due to the accommodation, human eye can focus the object at the different distances by adjusting the focal length of the eye lens. So answer is D, retina, because the retina is the layer of the nerve cell lining the back wall inside the wall. This layer senses the light and sends the signal to the brain, so you can see. Answer is C, 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter is the least distance of the distinct vision for a young adult with the normal vision.
Answer is C. Ciliary muscles. The action of ciliary muscle changes the focal length of an eye lens. A person need a lens of power minus 5.5 diopter for correcting his distant vision. For correcting his near vision, he needs a lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. What is the focal length of the lens required for correcting distant vision and the near vision? Power is given for the distance vision and the near vision. So we can write here power of lens for the distant vision P1 equal to minus 5.5 diopter. So F1 equal to 1 upon में P1 and equal to 1 upon में minus 5.5. This will be equal to 0 with the negative sign 0.18 meter. Okay, this is the focal length of the lens for the distant vision. Now for the near vision, focal length F2 we consider, and F2 is also equal to 1 upon में P2 and this will be equal to 1 upon में plus 1.5. This will be equal to positive 0.67 meter. Here we will use the concave lens and here we will use convex lens. Right? So now question number 6. The far point of a myopic person is 80 centimeter in front of the eye. What is the nature and the power of a lens required to correct the problem? So first of all, you can write for the myopic person, we should use the diverging concave lens. So here person use concave lens. Okay, and then focal length we will find out by the lens formula 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v minus में 1 upon में u. Here we have the v equal to 80 centimeter with the negative sign, and also we have the u because the person suffering with the myopic eyes, so it means he cannot see the far distant object. So u equal to infinity, and we will take this negative sign and then we will put all these value here. Then 1 upon में f equal to 1 upon minus 80 and minus 1 upon में minus infinity. 1 upon infinity we know this will be equal to 0 and minus plus, so this will be minus 1 upon में 80 and plus 0. Then f equal to minus 80 centimeter. Okay, and power of this lens, we can write P equal to, we know that this will be equal to 1 upon में focal length and this will be equal to 1 upon में minus 80. So this will be equal to minus 1. यहाँ पर इंटू में 100 भी, बिकॉज दिस इज इन द सेंटीमीटर, सो वी यूज 100 अपॉन में f when f is centimeter, f is in centimeter, so this will be equal to minus 1.25 diopter. This is the question number 6. Now question number 7. In the question number 7, make a diagram to show the hypermetropic eye is corrected. Okay, so you can see as the diagram. The near point of the hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. So here also given that v equal to 1 meter, and what is the power of the lens required to correct this defect? Assume that near point of the normal eye is 25 centimeter. So u is given, u is 25 centimeter, or you can say that 0.25 meter, and we will take here with the negative sign here and also here. Okay, so now we can find out the focal length first of all. So focal length is given by 1 upon में f equal to 1 upon में v minus में 1 upon u, right? And then this will be equal to minus 1 upon में 1 and minus 1 upon में minus 0.25, and then this will be equal to minus 1 plus में 1 upon में 0.25, and this will be equal to positive 3 by में 1. So f equal to positive 1/3 meter. If we have the focal length of the lens, then we can find out also the power. We know that power of the lens 1 / f. When f in meter, then this will be equal to 1/(1/3). This will be equal to positive 3.0 diopter, and power comes here with the positive sign, so we should use convex lens to correct the hypermetropic eye.
Because the normal eye is not able to see the object placed closer than the 25 centimeter clearly, because the ciliary muscles of the eyes are unable to contact beyond a certain limit. Image is formed on the retina even on increasing the distance of an object from the eye. For this, eye lens become thinner and its focal length increases as the object is moved away from the eye.